In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your metapixel code to Squarespace using the code injection settings in Chrome. To get started, open your Squarespace site dashboard in Chrome and head into your settings area. From there, look for Developer Tools and then open the code injection section. This is the place where you can add custom code that needs to load across your website. We're going to use the global header area so the tracking code can appear site-wide, which is usually the correct placement for a pixel setup like this. Once you have that page open, leave it available in your browser because you'll be coming right back to it in a moment. Now switch over to your Meta Events Manager dashboard. In your account overview, open the data setup area where your primary pixel is configured. The goal here is to retrieve the main baseline pixel integration code, which is the full JavaScript tracking snippet used to connect your website activity back to Meta. When you find the pixel setup window, carefully locate the complete block of raw pixel code. Make sure you copy the entire script exactly as it appears. That part is important because even a small missing line or character can prevent the pixel from firing correctly. You want the full tracking block, not just part of it, so take a second to confirm everything has been selected before copying. After that, go back to your Squarespace dashboard and return to the code injection pane. In the global site header field, click into the text area and paste the pixel code directly into that workspace. The header field is typically used for code that needs to load early on every page, which is why this is the right location for a standard pixel installation. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly review what you pasted and make sure the code appears complete and properly inserted in the header section, not somewhere else on the page. Avoid making any edits to the script unless you specifically know what needs to be changed, since altering the code can break the installation. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply the changes. At that point, your metapixel code has been added to Squarespace through code injection. If you want to verify that it's working, you can later check your Events Manager diagnostics or use browser-based testing tools to confirm the pixel is loading on your site. This helps ensure your tracking setup is active and ready to collect data properly.